So we are in the middle of a storm here on the water.
Most of the time brings me down, and my future won't exist without living now. So I spread all my footprints around, yeah. I know that every day will always bring me something new.
Today on our adventure, my boys and I are headed down to Springfield Campground. This is down on beautiful Hartwell Lake in Anderson, South Carolina. We're going to be spending some time here over spring break, and just looking forward to hanging out, relaxing, and of course doing some kayaking and fishing and biking, maybe do some sightseeing. We'll be down here not far from the Hartwell Dam, so we plan to go down there as well. And so just looking forward to spending some time together. And hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And remember, we always encourage you to subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified of all our future videos that we put out. So glad to have you with us. So here we are. We made it down here to our campsite, to the campground here, and you can see the water here in the background. This is Springfield Campground. Now this is our temporary site. We're going to be here for one night, and then we're going to move out onto the peninsula tomorrow and be out there the rest of our stay. But pretty much all these sites are on the water. Hard to get a bad site. The water is up pretty high right now in the lake here, and beautiful evening, beautiful weather. So we are looking forward to doing some kayaking and biking and just hanging out. on a peninsula, and it actually feels almost like you're on a boat when you look out the windows here from our spot. You got water all around. This is one of our favorite places to come to, and we're enjoying some pretty nice weather, kayaking, and just hanging out and having a good time. By the time we get there, it's going to quit. Well, it's raining. I was supposed to have wax paper, but I don't have any wax paper, so I'm going to try tinfoil. Get that smashed burger tossed. Toasted buns.
Every time you win, you get a legendary.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, what do I do now? Huh?
Just, you can fight in battles and stuff.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do I have to set it up?
Yeah, set up.
How do I set it up?
So we are in the middle of a storm here on the water. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, it just hit. And I mean, it is blowing, and I'm just hoping and praying my straps hold to my canopy. I did not expect this kind of wind. Well, looks like the storm has passed, and boy, it was a doozy. I mean, it blew and it rained. It caught us off guard. Kind of blew my kayak around there a little bit, but everything turned out pretty good. Thankfully, my canopy is still in good shape thanks to these straps. Normally I would bring my canopy in, but caught us off guard, and thankfully these straps held. That's the reason I use these, so that kind of as a safety backup, and it did its job, thankfully. But looks like we've got a really nice evening here now. A little breezy, but the sun's coming out, and it's looking good.